So I'm going to use a lot Dynamesh, and as you can see right now, I started from the first shape and I did a duplicate and a second one. And what I want here is to really start from a very simple shape and to show you that from this simple shape you can come with an interesting design language that is going to be consistent and give a feeling of unity and society, because at the end, when you are designing architectures, this is what you are talking about. You are talking about a place where people are living, they have an history, each building has to be tied somehow to a story about the society, about institution, about social order, wealth distribution, and so on. So what I'm doing here, what I decided is to keep the exact same angle, the exact same relation of angle from each shape variation. So at each stage, I'm making a simple duplicate, and I'm trying to make a variation, keeping the exact very simple shape language, which is an oblique angle and two parallel planes that are parallel to the plane, to the main plane, the one that is going to be the ground, I mean. So I'm using the expose function quite a bit just to have an idea of my kit. These are all the pieces I'm going to be using in the future to create more complex buildings and at the end to create an entire city.